Guys, this is Chris, Seven Seas Marine. Today I'm doing a video on a super clean. It's a 1984 24 Offshore Grady White. This boat is, at this point, what is it? 30 years old. But it doesn't show that way. Ridiculously clean hull. This guy just is super anal with this boat. It's a 1984 hull with a 2004 Suzuki 4-stroke 250. Coming around the stern. I'm going to come around the starboard side and just show you how clean the paint is. The bottom paint, everything was just done. Comes with a trailer. But just coming down the hull, just so you can see. So you can see rocket launchers, outriggers. It's called an Offshore 24. So if you're looking for a really clean, reasonably priced offshore boat that has a Grady hull with a 4-stroke, this is probably what you want to look at. We're listing this boat at $9,000. Feel free to make offers, it is negotiable. Comes with that 5-star trailer, dual axle. Coming around the port side. Anchor, rod holders, bow rails are in great shape. There's your cleats, there's another outrigger. Comes with the hard top, rocket launchers up top. Raytheon, shipped ashore. Really clean turnkey boat. You guys won't believe the inside. Again, powered by a 2004 Suzuki 4-stroke. From the stern, let me just show you the floors. Everything was painted, repainted. Again, really super clean. Let me hop up here and show you. Port side, battery switch and batteries. Second battery. So we built a compartment. There's a compartment built there. 2 more rod holders, cup holder, 2 flush mount rod holders, rod storage, net storage, outrigger. Port side live wells, passenger chair, walk through. I'm gonna walk through here to show you. There's the hard top, spreader lights. Does have a crack on one side of the windshield where all the electronics are. The other side is perfect. The windows are in good shape aside from that one crack. Anchor system. Horn. Coming around the starboard side. Rocket launchers in great shape. There's your gas cap, the other outrigger which comes with the boat. 2 more flush mounted rod holders. You have the same matching compartments on the starboard side. It's access ports basically, and a storage area. The other side on the port does have the rod holder storage as well. Another large live well or cooler, however you'd like to use it. Here's your captain's chair and a new canvas, navy blue, to cover the helm. I'm gonna unsnap this here. Okay. This motor is a 2004 Suzuki, as you can see, 611 hours. Owner claims it runs very, very well. There's your Suzuki shifter. You got a Ritchie compass, Bennett trim tabs. There's your ignition switch, and there's all your switches for your bilge and everything else in your live wells. This boat is a walk around. Does have a cuddy cabin. There's your wood doors. Let me go over to the electronics with you. There's your Raytheon Pathfinder RL70 radar, as shown on the top. There's your radar antenna. Also comes with a Lowrance X107 color depth finder. As well as a Cytex Color Max wide GPS fish finder. So you got 3 screens here. I don't have the key to get into this lock right at this moment to show you the inside cuddy cabin, so I will take pictures when I get the key and put it in the ad. Also comes with a Coleman cooler, which opens up in 2 positions for the boat, and that's mounted to the deck. Of course, if you don't like that option, you can remove it, but just from the mid-boat back, just to show you all the fishing room. Plenty of fishing room, plenty of fishability. For a cheap offshore setup, you can't beat this boat. Anyway, my name is Chris, 7 Seas Marine. My phone number is 609-668-0169. Give me a call. This boat's located at All Seasons Marina over on the 34th Street Bridge going out of Ocean City into Marmora on the right-hand side. Address 551 Roosevelt Boulevard. Give me a call, 609-668-0169. Have a great day.